The Galaxy S10 Plus pre-order bundle is in the house. So Samsung has offered a pretty attractive pre-order bundle this time for both the Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus. And what I've got here is the 8 gigs and 128 gigabyte model, which doesn't come with the Galaxy Watch, but in fact it comes with the free Galaxy earbuds and a Galaxy Tab A tablet. So we are going to take the wrappings of this ugly black wrapping and find out how it is. Ta-da! This is the pre-order bundle. It's the other side, but yes, here it is. This is the Galaxy S10 Plus pre-order bundle in this nice, beautiful black box. So let's take it out. Here we go. Whew. This is how it is being presented. Not the most prettiest box, I would say, but everything is just in a mess after I did all that shaking and stuff. So there we go. Here's the Galaxy S10 Plus. Here is the Galaxy Tab A6, which is a 2016 model Galaxy Tab A. Well, still a pretty decent entry-level tablet if you ask me. And we have the Galaxy earbuds right here. So starting with the first unboxing, we're going to start off with the Galaxy S10 Plus. So we're going to take this out, and oh, look at that, because I actually ordered this from Sangheng, and well, they gave me a prepaid number to put into the S10 Plus. Well, not sure whether I'm going to use it or not, but there you go, that's the prepaid card. And we're going to take apart the Galaxy S10 Plus. So this is a sealed model. So usually if you purchase phones from Samsung, they will usually just unseal the box because they just want to register it for warranty purposes. So they have basically sealed this phone. Let's cut off the seal. Okay, it's a little bit tough. My knife is probably a little bit small. And there you go, the Galaxy S10 Plus in its full glory. Basically, I have just unboxed it a little bit too fast because there's actually a box that is on top of it. So it's just like this. So basically, if you take off the box, this thing should appear first. So we're going to take a look what Samsung has included inside this box, which I'm going to assume it is a TPU case. Nope, it is a hard case, a pretty nice one, in fact, to protect your phone. That's a good addition, Samsung, so you don't need to go and buy any cases if you get the S10 Plus. Just put this on and you can get one later. So you do also have the quick start guide, the usual paperwork and warranty card and some other stuffs here. There's even a Samsung Pay leaflet here. And finally, that's pretty much that you get inside this box. And you do get a SIM ejector here, a standard thing. And S10 Plus is here. Take it out. Got a white color model. And here is the adaptive fast charger that we have been seeing on a lot of Samsung phones already. You get a USB-C to standard USB-A connector dongle. And finally, you get the USB cable right inside here, and a pair of AKG earphones, which is, sorry, not my favorite at all. Let's put this all aside and take a look at the phone itself. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. As you guys may have already seen, you know, there's 3 cameras on the back. There's this hole punch cutout on the front camera. We're going to turn it on and let it load up everything while we check out some other stuff that comes in the box. So we have the Galaxy Tab A tablet. So this is something that we have not reviewed previously, but you know, it's a good thing that Samsung offered this tablet inside of a box, because this costs around like 600 plus ringgit. So I guess that's a pretty good offer. And if you unboxed this thing, this is how the tablet looks like, and it looks pretty small and good. Let's take off the wrapping, and here you go. What I received is a white color model of the Galaxy Tab A 2016. This is a 7-inch display, entry-level tablet. Let's not hope for too much out of this. It's basically just a good tablet for web browsing and Netflix binging. Okay, so enough of the tablet, and finally, let's take out the Galaxy earbuds. And here you go, the Galaxy earbuds. So we do have some. No, we don't have paper underneath here. We have the Galaxy earbuds in this very elegant case. Open it up. There you go. These are the Galaxy earbuds. So what comes with the inside the Galaxy earbuds box is that you do have this extra box here, which I'm assuming that you have ear tips. Yes, you do have a couple of ear tips right inside here, and finally you have a USB-C cable. It charges by USB-C. Great job over there. So we're already done with all the unboxing of these boxes, and we're gonna take a final look at the Galaxy S10 Plus before we end this video. So let's go on to the setup and everything. Let's go through all of this very quickly. Just keep quiet, Bixby. We are just going to skip everything. Bixby is actually a little noisy here, but we're gonna just skip everything and get onto the main interface. So there you go. You see that whole punch cutout that is so obvious. Well, basically it's, you know, to me, I still prefer the notch on the top because this thing actually affects content viewing. So we're gonna do this setup very fast and get onto the main interface of the Galaxy S10 Plus. There you go, you got the sound. Oh, that's something new that's not available on previous Samsung devices. So first thoughts on the prism white version of the Galaxy S10 Plus is that you get this very nice reflective color. You see that? It actually reflects to the light, different colors. I actually think it's actually pretty cool, you know. And this is the Galaxy S10 Plus. I like the screen. It's beautiful, it's bright. The icons are a little bit updated. It's actually different from the One UI interface that I had on my Galaxy Note 9. Icons are way flatter. Maybe it's just bigger, right? And you get, let's go into the settings and check out the software. So obviously it runs on Android 9 and it is already on the January 1st, 2019 security patch. So most likely if I turn on Wi-Fi, it should be upgraded to the most recent security patch. So good news for those who are worried about the usage of a screen protector that works with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, because Samsung has already pre-applied a screen protector on the front so that you don't need to go out and hunt for compatible screen protectors to apply on the S10 Plus. So that's all for the unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus pre-order bundle. Stay tuned for more on the Galaxy S10 Plus on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to us. I'll be sharing more of my thoughts on the S10 Plus while using for a couple of weeks, and I'll get back to you soon in the very next video.